Worried your PC is infected? Viruses can slow you down, steal data, or worse. Let's clean them out safely. Viruses can hide in your system, run in the background, pop up unwanted ads, or even open security holes. If you don't act fast, they can spread or damage your files. Boot into safe mode. Restart your PC and boot into safe mode. This loads minimal drivers and stops many viruses from running. Run full antivirus scan. Use Windows Defender, built-in, or a trusted third-party antivirus. Make sure to update virus definitions first, then run a full system scan. Use malware removal tools. Tools like Malwarebytes or specialized utilities can catch threats standard antivirus might miss. Clean temporary files and restore points. Remove temp files, old downloads, and consider restoring to a clean restore point if available, but only if you know it's from before infection. Change passwords and enable protection measures. After cleaning, change your important passwords, Microsoft, email, banking, enable real-time protection, auto-updates, and a firewall. Prevention is better than cure. To avoid future infections, don't download files or software from untrusted sources. Be careful with email attachments or links. Keep Windows and all apps up to date. Use a standard user account instead of admin for daily work. Important, only remove viruses from devices you own. Performing scans or fixes on others' computers without permission is illegal. If you think your PC is severely compromised, consider consulting a professional. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more IT safety tips, and leave a comment if you want a free list of trusted malware tools. Stay safe out there.